Good afternoon. I'm Eno from National Radio of Indonesia. Pleasure to meet you, Mr. PM. My question is, what we see, what was happening in Thailand and Cambodia. So what we should do, Indonesia and Malaysia, because we also have some borders, to keep the borders in peace and stability. Do you have any advice for the people in the borders? Thank you.
See, border issues with Malaysia and Indonesia. So I discussed with President Bowo. What should we do? We declare war. So if we don't want to do it, we have to find an amicable resolution to the conflict. And that's a choice. In Parliament, when the members of the opposition Islamic Party started attacking me about Sulawesi and Ambalat, they said, no, you should surrender, not surrender this. I said, you have a choice. You go to war or you negotiate. Sane people must choose the road to negotiate. And precisely that was what we did. And in process of negotiations, there is, of course, a win-win, give and take, based on, of course, the rules of law. Look at UNCLOS, 1982, look at agreements, look at historical antecedents, and find a resolution. I'm very optimistic, and I think Indonesian president, and for that matter, many of the other countries, Malaysia is essentially a maritime country. We have issues, border issues, that almost every country. But we don't go to war. We have excellent relations. So work on the positive side. Which particular area of the border we can immediately resolve, and defer those that we cannot. But it should not be an issue that could create differences, and there should be, as I said, sanity in the sense that to respect these differences for a while and not be seen unnecessarily to provoke. And I'm happy that we have achieved that. Now, if it's an issue talking about issues, there are issues. The team working on it, and I am very optimistic that it can be resolved, even if we can't, as we have not resolved in the last 60 years, and it has not adversely affected our relations. We are in the best of terms, there's a level of trust, and all other issues that can be resolved, we should resolve. So I think that should be the position taken, and I'm very fortunate that there's a position taken by all our countries, our neighbors within ASEAN. Hopefully, this is also the spirit in the international community. Terima kasih.
Download Tribun X sekarang, menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.